What's up guys, and welcome back to another episode of CP Customs Budget Builds. In today's episode we are going to take care of the exhaust system and going to mount something new. So make sure you're not gonna miss this. Stay tuned. So, ladies and gentlemen, let me explain the game plan for today. It is to take a look on the original exhaust system, and yeah, here we go. Let me show you. Let's take a look on this set looking original exhaust. I think there is no question we are not going to use this anymore because it is way too big and it's really bad shape. I mean, functional it is still okay, but it just don't look good, and I don't want to invest to polish all this stuff to make it nice and shiny again because it's too big. I have bought something else and it's right here. Ooh. Yes, it is a unit garage exhaust. Come on, just stay there. And just take a look at the difference between that and that. Quite obvious, it is amazing. It's supposed to sound also good. You can yeah, take care of that now to prepare everything so that if everything is finished, like frame and all the other stuff, we can put it on the bike. Therefore I need to separate the exhaust from the I don't know how to call it, the rest of the exhaust system, and then mount that on the new exhaust. And we have to take care of this and make this nice and shiny again, because I'm not going to buy new ones because it's not necessary. You can make these pretty again. So that's the game plan for today. So let's go. So guys, first step done. As you can see, the small parts, they are looking pretty good. So just with a little bit help of steel brush, some polishing pad, some other brushes, you're able to make them as far as they were new. So this was the small thing, and now I have to take care about the big pipes here. So it's gonna take a while, but I hope we can get them maybe as shiny as that. So let's go. So ladies and gentlemen, quick update. Take a look on the first result. Sorry, I did a couple of things off camera, or the rest off camera. It is now done. It looks good, but it takes like forever. So yeah, 3 more to go. compare to the before and after of the exhaust, especially the front here, it looks pretty good. So we got that as shiny as the mounting brackets here, and it pretty much match up with the new exhaust. So I am pretty happy about that.
So, ladies and gentlemen, next step, I have disassembly I have removed the exhaust system again, because I'm a bit worried about my exhaust pipes here. They're probably gonna catch rust if I do not protect them. Even if I like the shiny look, I am going to protect them with this heat tape, I guess.
I have the same thing here on my Honda, and I pretty much like the design of this tapes, so that even if we have a couple of rust underneath it, not heavy rust but just surface rust, we are not able to see it. I'm to wrap that around each pipe, and hoping I have enough space for that. Yeah, so that's the plan. And then we can finally put the exhaust on the engine and on the frame, tight everything properly, and then it should look good. So let's go.
So, ladies and gentlemen, let's take a look on the final result of the exhaust system, and I can tell you this looks amazing. Just let me position, and yeah, check this out.
Damn, take a look at this. This is the Unit Garage exhaust and it looks amazing. From the back to the front, overall a really good and nice looking system. It fits pretty well on the bike. Some tight spots like here, I created here a bit more clearance, but overall pretty good. Nothing too wild to assembly on the bike, and I cannot wait to hear the sound of this new exhaust system. It looks wild, it looks loud. I've read online it is loud, but it comes with an homologation certificate. So this is very important because if it's too loud and you don't have something like this, then yeah, police officers, they won't be happy, and if you have a friendly one, you may have luck. If not, he will take your bike and you will have a lot of problems. So yeah, that was a big advantage and plus point why I bought this exhaust, because it's legal, officially legal here, pretty nice. Now for one more point to the heat protection tape around the exhaust. It looks dark because it is wet. It will change the color if it gets dry and warm, and then it will look better than now. Just to clarify that. But for now, I'm happy that this is done. Everything fits, no issues. One more step done. Nice! So guys, that's it for this episode. Thank you very much for watching. If you liked what you see, please consider subscribing. And if you want to know how this project continues, yeah, make sure you're not gonna miss the next episodes. Until then, make sure you stay healthy, stay happy. Goodbye. Peace.
Make the ground shake.